Hello everyone, Shraddha here. So today I will be talking about two important topics of marketing. First is marketing mix and second is communication mix. In marketing mix, there are five keywords that are very much important when we talk about any marketing things. And also in communication mix, there are five keywords that we need to focus when we are getting into this marketing field. So let's start with marketing mix at first. So when I talk about marketing mix, so there are seven keywords that are very important while we are into like getting into marketing, or we have a business. So you need to understand all these seven keywords. First is place, then price, promotion, product, physical evidence, people, and process. These are seven keywords that are very much important for marketing mix, and we can also say that this is the base of marketing. If you have got to know about the base, like you have got to know the importance of these products, maybe the meaning of these products, so you are very much clear and you can get into marketing field. So let's talk about this product. So product is nothing the end results of whatever raw materials or whatever operations you are putting on something. So the end result is product. And then place is what you are choosing to maybe to put your product. It may be showrooms, it may be some small shops, it may be some malls or places where you are going to put your product. And I would say that when it comes to product, so place is directly proportional to product, because if I let us take an example. If I talk about beauty products, so it would be worthless if you are placing your product in a place or in a location where very less, like very few females are there. So you should target a location for beauty product where a lot of females are there. So yeah, that's how place is directly proportional to product. Next is promotion. So promotion is when you need to shout out about your product, maybe to create some kind of awareness about your product. Then you need to promote your product maybe through Google Ads, or by post on social media apps, or maybe through hoardings or advertisement. Like there are a lot of ways, pamphlets that you can use to promote your product. Then physical evidence is nothing but your office that you can touch and you can see your office data warehouse where you need to store, where you used to store your products. Then people, maybe we can say, and users, and also the delivery guys who used to deliver. Maybe we can talk about logistic team when it comes to people. Then process, so starting from producing that product to sending or delivering that product to the end user, all the process will come under this. And yes, price is what you, if you have spent 300 to 400 rupees on a product to produce it, so you can set the final price at 450 or maybe 500. But if you are increasing, say 1000, 1500, so I don't think that you are going to get a good profit based on your product. So you should think wisely on your price too. I am not saying that you are spending 300 or 400 rupees to produce it and then you can set price for 200, so you will be in loss normally. So yeah, you can target 450 to 500 rupees as like MRP of your product. Then let's talk about communication mix. So in communication mix, there are five keywords: advertisement, personal selling, public relations, sales promotion, and then direct marketing. In direct marketing, you are normally, like you are normally running a shop and you are like marketing your product maybe through that village method, traditional method of villages, like announcement in some rickshaw or something like that. Maybe you own a small shop where you are selling your product. And personal selling, maybe you are going door to door and selling your product. Then advertisement, advertising, maybe you are using hoardings or various ways of advertisement where you are using social media apps, and then you are running ads to advertise your product. And then PR is nothing but public relations. You are getting into a public place and then you are talking about your product and you are trying your people to like buy your product. Maybe you are looking for the conversions from that audience to your conversions. And then sales promotion is nothing but like that you are doing promotion, various kind of promotion, and you are increasing sales through your promotion. So yeah, these two topics are very much important for theoretical purpose, examination purpose, and also if you are in work or if you are working in a marketing field, then also you should be very much clear on these topics. So that's it for today. I will be coming soon in my next video. If you have any kind of doubt, just let me know, and if you want me to come up with any topic, just let me know that too. I will be covering that topic too. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and ask whatever doubts you have. I will be meeting soon. Bye.